the ogre is killed? Who killed him?
Lagi.
One of our...
The big heart.
No.
Is it William?
Yeah. Promise that anyone can kill the ogre should take my hand of my princess. And we have the brave in man,
Prince William.
Prince William.
Princess
He is considered to be friends because he are the one who killed the ogre.
Thank you, sir. I love your daughter, and I take her as your
Gaya kayo. Oh, diha. Oh, ang bibi.
I'm sorry for the interruption.
Gaw sa dito ba?
Ang gulo ng go.
Gaw sa dito. Pero niya para ba tanan mo?
Ang